Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Wow. And watercolor. Your values are great. Um, I think this is a beautiful piece.
Yeah, I agree. I love what you've done with the technique, the looseness, you allowed the brush to do its job. And those that work in watercolor, most of those guys are happy accidents. That's a beautiful happy accident. I'm not sure that I like the birds. Particularly, I don't mind the birds, but where they are. I'd like to see them more maybe to the left instead of being almost kind of in the center. But that's a very, very nice piece, well handled. Thank you.
Thanks.
Ooh, it's the same flock of birds. What are they on your camera, or where did these come from? Again, you really got a great sense of how to use your brushes and your technique. This guy's not quite as happy as the other one was, I think. But again, maybe I would like to have seen a little less sky. It's gotten real heavy at the bottom, maybe. But again,
I like it as well. I like what you've done in the foreground with the texture. You can tell it's kind of a sand dune or a grassy area, and beautifully done. Beautifully done. I would have moved the birds over to the left-hand side a little bit. They're kind of central. Values are wonderful. I agree with Lee. This guy could be a little bit different, but nice. Just I'm impressed with these watercolors. Very good. So look up. This is are the birds your signature? That's great. I put our initials J+S in all of our paintings, so having the birds in all of yours might be a great marketing or a branding for you. Very cool. The values are wonderful. I like what you've done with the people, the highlights you've got. That's really difficult. And the stormy water. Wow, this is beautiful. Good job.
Yeah, I really like what you've done there. If I had anything to pick on, it's the fact that you've got 4 equal trees spaced perfectly across.
Yeah.
It's like a fence.
I know.
And when I'm leaning, broken, just something to break up that fence post look. But I love the figure. And the fact that his hand's out there with the walking thing, super beautiful job. Birds, you can went to the left a little bit. Great stuff. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, you guys.